Hi, I'm Zoe Francois from zoebakes and welcome to my kitchen. Today I have a super fast vanilla extract hack for you. In my last video, I made homemade vanilla extract. I highly recommend it, but if you are just getting started with it, it takes a few months for it to mature. So in the meantime, you can take a really nice pure vanilla extract and add a boost of flavor. All you need to do is take one vanilla bean, cut it and scrape it, which I showed you how to do in my full vanilla extract video, and then just add it to your bottle of vanilla extract. You can add just the bean that's been scraped for a recipe, or you can add all the little seeds to go with it, which will just add to the intensity of the flavor. Give it a shake, and you don't even have to wait because you're adding it to an already established vanilla extract, but those seeds give you that absolutely gorgeous flavor that we all want from our vanilla extract. So, little vanilla extract hack. If you found this helpful, please subscribe, spread the word, come back and bake with me. Thanks.